What up, guys? Today we gonna play Among Us.
Also known as the imposter.
Mm, yeah, it's also known as imposters.
It's
Yeah.
us, okay.
So you know how the game works. Okay, for those who are new, you do as a crewmate, you do your task, finish your task, get the ball up, you win. While the
Yeah,
imposters
but we
kill everybody,
try to stop him from
depending
being
how much imposters are there. Depending how much imposters there, the quicker you can get.
Yeah.
The
Oh no,
quicker,
dude, what is
quicker they can win. Um,
good? I found imposter.
oh, it's light blue. It's light blue. It's
Yeah,
light
because
blue. It's
I know he
definitely light blue, bruh. Because he was
I know
walking with blood, bruh. I think I can see the people that got killed just now.
I know it's like because I saw two for yellow now. That's why.
Okay, let's go. We gotta vote him and let's see if he's the imposter. Subscribe if he's the imposter, by the way.
If you think
If
that's
not,
him, feel
just
like
give it a like, okay? Yeah, turns out he's the imposter. So guys, you know what to do.
do it.
Smash that subscribe button. But if you want to like, you can like, okay? I just want you
Alright.
guys to
Most
subscribe, okay? Bro got caught red-handed, bruh. No, red-footed.
people help me only have 5 subscribers.
No, I just got caught. Yeah, I just did caught one time. Like it's so clean. Anyways, nah, I don't care about that. Please don't kill me, bruh. What are you trying to do, bruh?
Yeah. Listen to me, I'm your captain. I actually am the captain, so you better
Oh
listen
shit.
to me.
So why are you doing that to me? Okay.
I'm standing by you. Like, come on, vote me.
I need I need to get some task. Okay, we will be back and yeah, just hopefully I'm not gonna get voted out. Oh, okay, okay.
You lucky.
No, I got kicked out, bruh.
Yo, I didn't mean to say that.
Yo, you gotta see now, bruh. Oh, this guy's traitor, you see? You see? Look at his eyes. Traitor, unseen. You're just seen there in the eyes. Just kill yourself. Might as well get killed by the by the ghost here.
Double D double die. I
Most
don't know that you is a man or no
is Aki wants to play stupid. We lost because of
not
Aki.
my fault. That
No, it is your fault. Don't say anything.
almost.
No, do not
It's
say
almost my
anything.
fault.
Do not say anything, bruh.
I didn't say anything wrong. I'm stupid.
No, don't say nothing. And we're back and I'm the government, government agent. So how the government agent works is I just scan for people and kill them if they have like a tongue in their mouths. Okay, that's a
Okay,
kind of sus. Ayo, boss.
scan me. You can scan me first.
Please don't suck at your job next time, please. You just kicked me out for no reason.
Guys, I think the imposter is red because he has a government agent gun. I think
Nah,
it's
you still
dark.
gotta continue with this crap.
Oh, green. Dark green is Santa Claus.
What's Santa Claus? Neutral role? Neutral threat?
No, no Santa. No, that's good. It's a good class.
Oh, okay.
It's a crew member.
Really? So,
Whoa,
should be a neutral
I feel
role, I
like a.
think.
Whoa, what
Mm,
do you think you're doing, buddy?
okay.
A quick meeting.
What are you call meeting for?
Okay, I noticed that. Blue was about to kill me, but I pulled him at the time.
Okay, somebody said it's big buddy. Anyways, we will be back. Okay, we back and we back. Yeah. Anyways, we're just gonna king. Don't trust this guy. Scan you.
I'm the imposter.
Yeah. Clear.
She told you. Now go for dark blue.
At least I get the job. Go for blue. Haha, bruh. Yeah, I'd rather shoot him before I scan him. That's dangerous not to scan him, bruh.
But what
I
if he
just,
might not be that person?
I might get killed. I will get killed. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care if I get killed, okay? If I don't get the right crewmate, I mean imposter.
Okay. And if you do get it wrong, I'll just take a gun and shoot myself dead.
You cannot take guns in this case.
You can, guys. You can. You should still keep it.
Okay, I was doing nothing, come on. Now these people just orange, Jesus, bruh. Bruh, I bet this guy is I bet this guy is the imposter.
You voting?
Anyways, we'll be back.
My bad.
Dang, surprise, surprise, he's not the imposter. Now it makes me more sus. It just makes me more sus. Shimba my tumbas.
You did tell me so you know I'm not the imposter.
Yeah, I know you're not the imposter. But I need to scan everybody else.
I'm straight following you, Shoaib.
But
Look, he's behind you, Shoaib.
oh, dang it. Got it wrong.
What?
Can't even count
What?
from 1 to 10. That's all. Scan. Nope. White is imposter. White is imposter, bruh. White is imposter. White is the imposter, bruh.
Pull a meeting now.
Please get the meeting, bruh. Oh, wait,
Hey, White to kill someone. It's White.
No. I did scan him. White, I know. Please.
Vote him now.
Anyways, we'll be back. Too much poison, I don't know. But anyways, like if you enjoy stuff. Yo, okay, here's the thing, we need to kill him. I can kill him. But it has to be not suspicious, bruh. I have to pick him down, bruh. Somehow.
I'll keep you covered. Like, bruh, I need to stay with him. So, where's he now?
He's there, oh, he was there on top, yeah. Cause it's the side.
That's right.
Okay, I got mate play. Do some mate play. So. Can you see this green thing around me?
Yeah, so right now. Right. Yes, he's right, yes, White.
Okay.
Okay. Never mind.
Nope, you can get him. Oh shit,
Shoaib.
What?
He went inside the fence, like that underground thing.
Ah, dang it. Where is it? Where is it gone now?
Oh. Orange is not imposter. He's a fake imposter because he did that thing now.
Okay, Orange, I know he's not the imposter. Oh, we need to
So
fix this right now.
Ori?
Gosh, dang it. Orange, you're not the imposter, gosh.
Whoa! Pink is dead.
Not doing this now.
Pink is dead.
Gosh, dang it. If I killed White, we would have won, bruh. Anyways, yeah, maybe time for me to be imposter, I guess.
Oh.
Okay, we're back, and what the hell can I not do? Huh? What the hell can I not do? But anyways, yeah.
Should I come in quickly?
Black is just being such a dang nuisance.
Wait, did you just go in there? Come here.
No, I didn't, but
I put something. I put a spider in your back.
a fire in my back.
Spider.
Oh, okay.
So I can keep an eye on you in case you're the imposter. Maybe kill someone, the thing will go off and
Yeah, we'll go
then
off
kill.
Bomber Club.
Yeah, well, anyways, people want to
Yeah,
do it.
okay, now I can talk. Okay, I'm the imposter and I'm the puppet master, I think. So yeah, so
How did you get that class?
I don't know. It's called a puppet. I think it is a puppet. I don't know, but nobody wants to say anything. And why this girl has my name, almost my name? Why is she named Kobe? Anyways, we'll be back. But guys,
This guy's imposter.
here's the thing. I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna kill Black. Or must I kill Black? I don't know.
Get imposter killing.
Okay, so guys, hopefully you still enjoy and just yeah um okay, I'm just gonna click some. Okay.
Oh, come on, radio.
Did you just got?
They saw me.
Did did we just do a double kill? That was the most stupidest thing I ever seen, bruh. But anyways, yeah, see, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. I don't know why he's like silver. I wish I was also silver. Why you silver? Anyways, hopefully you enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy,
Peace,
guys. And
peace,
hopefully my
people.
cousin died.